Today's date is 28th of May. Bear it in mind. It just remained only but 2 days. That is why I come up today to remind it for you. Yeah, my wonderful people of Biafra, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending your location, wherever that you are hearing this voice from. I am still remaining your humble brother, Ifeanyi Chukwuokorentaze, aka Gentle the Yahoo. Please, a very quick one. It's just to remind to our people about 30th of May and the importance of it. Please, let it be remembered and remind to each and every one of us that are in homeland. Please, keep 30th of May holy. Let it make clear to each and every one of us. Let it not be as if that you are not told. Let it not be as if that you are not informed. 30th of this month is total lock and key, total lockdown. Respect the fallen heroes. Respect the day that made to respect our fallen heroes. Starting from Odumegu Ojukwu, down to all the whole fallen heroes that lost their lives because of Biafran struggle. And Biafran struggle, there we are. Biafran struggle continues. The spirit is there alive. Even if at all that all the people have left, the people that left us, but still the Biafran spirit is still moving. Please, remember, do not fall the victim. Remember, do not allow anyone to deceive you. Respect our fallen heroes. Thank you, and God bless you. Today's date is 28th of May. Bear it in mind. It just remained only but 2 days. That is why I come up today to remind it for you. That is why I came up today. That is why I come up today. So that you can be able to still hear and understand and still pass the information for your loved ones to hear and to understand that it is our remembrance day, Biafran Remembrance Day. God bless Igbos. God bless all Biafrans. God bless our people. God bless all the supporters of freedom. God bless all of us of freedom all over the continent. I hail all of you. And Biafra must hail all of you. God bless Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel. God bless His Excellency Donald J. Trump and all the rest of the world leaders. I greet all of you. I still remain Ifeanyi Chukwuokorentaze, aka Gentle the Yahoo. Thank you and God bless you.